Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. So it's been a while since we've done something on the channel, so brief update of what's going on. I want to go and revisit an old project, basically. That's what's going on. This is now working, so it's going to be out to shows. I think I've said that in the live update or the live stream I did the last time. Can't quite remember. But yeah, so what we're going to do today is get the car I want to revisit, because I want to take it to bits to put it back together to potentially get it to the NEC next year, so 2025. But to get it out, I need to have a shovel. And this came down because it's not going to stay at my workshop now because it's fixed. It's going to go here, and this one's going to go there, and I've got one in there that's got to come out, and then another one to come out to get the, yeah. I think you get the picture. So let's get going before we waste any more time of me trying to shovel about everything. Yeah, this is going to be fun. Better try this one first, eh? I mean, we don't need to move this one first, but we better just try it anyway to see. Right, in we go, ignition, and are we going to get a good start? Brilliant. Right guys, I'm going to go and crack on and move them. Yes guys, it's the Mark II convertible. Pardon me, I've not all had my supper, so that was quite a push. But yeah, what I'm going to do is get this ready to go to the NEC in 2025 for the Practical Classics Restoration Show. Yeah. I'm not saying it's going to be painted, I'm not going to say any of that, but we're going to have it making it hopefully runnable and drivable and make it look like this. So, it's got 2 flat tyres, a rotten wheel on it, which came off the other convertible. Yeah. I think the next plan should be to move this out the way, put the 325 into there, the 330 into there, the Mark II in there, and then we've just got the Mark II Regal to deal with. When I say the Mark II, I mean the Mark II Robin. Right, on with the show. Right, so that's the Mark II up to the workshop. Next stage is I'll make a plan of how I'm going to start this. I'm possibly going to take the gearbox tunnel off just now because there's one screw holding it on, and take it from there. But basically what I want to do really is take the whole body off so that I can redo everything below it and then put the body back on. So I need to work out how the body comes off in a Mark II because I've never touched one of these before. Well, I've touched one, but only the engine, never actually took one to bits. So, there'll be a lot of looking into it and working out how it works and take it from there. But we'll see. Anyway guys, thanks for joining us for this short video of getting this back up to the shed so we can get a start of getting onto it and getting it done. So this will be possibly my priority now for the channel for the next wee while, until the Mark V reappears probably. Or if we've anything to do to the 325, which is limited because it's only the cooling system, a throttle pedal to go on, an interior to do, and it's done. So yeah, what I will do is do updates on this, and we'll take it to bits, put it back together, and put it away in the shed. As easy as that. And then at some point in the future, after the show, we'll do all the body work on it. But anyway, I will go and crack on and make a plan, and hopefully we see you next time if you want to stay up to date with the Mark II, the Albion Cairn, or any of the rest of the stuff on the channel. Again, there's a lot of stuff now. Yeah. Right, I better get going and get this done. Where am I starting now?